Junior 4, now we're going to see some ideas about the division. For example, 35 divided 6. Now the thing is, I don't have 35 as an answer in table 6, so you might not be able to find the answer directly. So what you're going to do in this case is that you're going to make the 35 smaller in your mind until you reach a number which is an answer in table 6. Let's see. I don't have 35 as an answer in table 6, so I'm going to start thinking about the 34. Again, I don't have 34 in table 6. 33, 32, 31, 30. Yes, I do have 30 in table 6, so I'm going to write it under the 35. And then we're going to start dividing, but instead of dividing the 35 divided 6, you're going to divide the 30 by 6. From the tables, we already know that 30 divided 6 is 5. I'm going to write in the answer 5. But my original number was 35. So what am I going to do now? You're going to start subtracting the 35 and the 30 from each other. 35 minus 30 is 5. This is what we're going to call the remainder. Answer now will be not only 5, it will be 5 and remainder 5. You write it like this, 5 remainder 5. Now what's the idea of the remainder? Let's, for example, imagine that I have 5 sweets and I want to distribute them among 2 students. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will have 1 sweet left that I couldn't distribute among the students, so this sweet will remain with me. That's why we call it remainder. Now another example, B, 22 divided 6. Again, I don't have 22 as an answer in table 6, so you make it smaller until you reach a number which is an answer in table 6. 21, 20, 19, 18. Yes, I do have 18 in table 6, so I write it under the 22. Now 18 divided 6 is 3. In order to find the remainder, you're going to subtract the original number in the question, which is the 22, and your new number, which is the 18, from each other. 22 minus 18 is 4. So the remainder in this question is 4. So the answer is 3 and remainder 4. C, 180 divided 2. This question has a different idea. It's not that there's a number which is not in table 2 or something, but instead I actually do have 18 as an answer in table 2, but there's an extra 0 beside it. Now let's focus on the part that we know, which is 18 divided 2. I do have 18 in table 2, and 18 divided 2 is 9. What about this extra 0 here? This extra 0, you're going to copy it as it is in the answer here, so it will be 90. So the answer is 90. D, again, 6,400 divided 8. I do have 64 in table 8, so I can divide 64 divided 8, which is 8. What about these 2 extra zeros that you have? You're going to copy them as they are in the answer, so your answer will be 800. E, 120 divided what equal 20? The answer of the division, which we call the quotient, is already written in the question, while this is your missing number. Okay, 120, here I have an extra 0 which was already copied in the answer. So in order to think about our missing number, let's just cross the extra zeros that we have from both sides. So now your question is as if it's 12 divided what equals 2? What do you think now? 12 divided what equal to? It's 12 divided 6. So the answer is 6.